You're awesome. Come on over. Nice little cushion. So, all right, and then there's a microphone right here. Look at that. There we go. So this is. Are you Ki Jong?
No, my name's Jian.
Jian. Okay. And so this is a sleep pillow.
Yes,
correct?
it is AI smart pillow.
Okay. Oh, wow, a smart pillow.
Smart pillow.
I love it. So tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, this is AI smart pillow, which help users sleep quality improvement.
All right.
And also, there's a okay. Let me introduce the three main features of this pillow. Okay.
Okay. Go ahead. Keep
It
going.
has an air cushion inside of the pillow.
Air cushion.
So
Okay.
when the and then it's AI. So when the AI detects users snoring during the night,
All right.
it helps to reduce the snoring. I'm gonna show you some visualization.
I've seen these before. I think this is me.
So the snoring is noisy result of the blocking the airway like this.
Mm.
So when the AI detects user snoring, it helps to lift their neck to open the airway like this.
Okay.
Then the snores reduces.
Yeah, the airway's unobstructed, so you can use it for that. So awesome.
Yeah, and then with this kind of lifting function, users can adjust the pillow heights
Okay.
as they want.
All right.
So there's like two setting functions of the adjusting height pillow. One is automatic setting. That means AI calculates users' body pressure and body type
All right.
and offers the perfect height to fit the user to support their cervical spines very well.
Okay.
And if they don't like that height, they can manually set the height on the neck and head height.
Okay.
And we have an application called Zerema as well. It offers the sleep tracker. So AI collects all the sleep data of the user, and every time they wake up in the morning, they can check their sleep index, sleep duration, snore time, snore duration.
Oh, okay.
We also offer the snoring report, so I don't know they like it or not, but they also can hear their snoring sounds if they want.
Oh, yeah. You know, I actually videotaped myself one night to see how I slept. So I think that's a great idea. You know, yeah, you have to hear yourself snore, but at least you understand what maybe your partner is going through on there. So I'm assuming this pillow connects up somehow, charges up, and so it'll run.
It has the power in here.
You don't have to show because
okay.
But we did see the power right there. Okay.
Power here. If
Okay.
you have the cable, just put the cable on the outlet. That's all.
Okay. How long does it charge last?
Oh, it doesn't have battery. Just like put the.
Oh, so you have to.
cable
It's
on the-
constantly in.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you have a price range for this?
Yeah, we're selling on the Amazon as a $249 in the US.
$249.
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah. So planning CES plans. Looking for more distributors.
Yeah, because we're just selling on the Amazon. It's kind of a small seller, so we are finding distributors to do marketing and then sell this one more.
All right.
Because we're kind of like small company, so we're kind of hard to handle all kind of things in the US. So yeah, we're finding some people to help us.
Okay. Yeah, I'd love to try it sometime. So it's Maetel. Maetel.
Yeah.
Maetel. Zerema.
Zerema is the product name.
Is what?
Product name. The
Product
product name is Zerema.
Does it mean anything or?
Oh, actually, we use the Swahilian. Swahilian has a terama. It means like a good night's sleep.
Okay.
And then we use the alphabet Z, means
Okay.
like kind of sleep. So we make the new world as a Zerema.
Got it. So good sleep in Swahili.
Right.
So, awesome. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
And good luck with that. So.
Thank you.